The lighting in here is horrific. Just going to get that out of the way. So I have a stack of unboxings to do. So you will see these videos are going to go up over the next week, but I've done them all on the same day because I'm going on holiday tomorrow and I need to get them done. So I have to apologise now that I will be in the same place with the same shit lighting for 4 videos. 6 actually, because I've already filmed 2. Hi, how's it going? So today, the first box I have on my pile is the Pit Box. The Pit Box, if you don't know, is a monthly beauty subscription box and it is all cruelty free, which makes me happy. This is my last one, I think. I have cancelled all of my subscription boxes, beauty ones, just because I need to save money, and I also just want to kind of, I don't feel like I'm the best person to showcase the beauty boxes because I don't really wear that much makeup. I clearly have shit hair, and just, I don't know, I feel like there's other YouTubers who do it better than me, and yeah, I just don't feel like it's my calling. So I've cancelled them. So let's get into this. Oh, opening upside down because I'm fucking professional. Like this. I'm literally sitting on the squeakiest chair in the history of the world. So this one is on the go. And it says, welcome to your September edit. It's worth £59. Our theme this month is on the go, and this month's edit contains handy essentials, perfect size to pop into your handbag, gym bag, or in your overnight bag for a weekend away. I am going away, so, oh, I've already got that thing, but that's nice. Yeah, let's have a look. So the first thing I've got, Rosewood Reviving Mist Monuspa. Do you smell like rose, or you just said rosewood? Lemon, rosewood and sandalwood essential oils. Oh, that sounds lush. £25.95. Ooh. So what do you do? Close your eyes and spray evenly over the face from about 30 centimetres. Alternatively, use to refresh and lightly fragrance your body. Oh, fancy pants. Oh no, it smells good. It smells really good. I really like that. That's a very, very relaxing smell. Monia Skin and Monia Spa, their skincare and everything. The packaging is just so nice. It's just really simple and I just like it. That's lovely. Next up, we have This Works Perfect Body Muscle Therapy Roll On. Oh, it's like a roll on. What is it? A roll-on muscle? Like a, is it like DP? A tension-busting muscle reliever in a portable rollerball. Think of this as your massage therapist in a rollerball, delivering a soothing warmth and a swift relief from headaches, achy muscles, and post-workout pains. Use the rollerball to massage deep into the muscles or gently rub into your temples to ease away headaches. Ooh. So it's got black pepper in it. I'm a little bit scared. This is £18. I'll just do a little, we'll do a little bit on my arm. It smells really good. Just gonna put it there and we'll see if it gets warm whilst I unbox the rest. Up next, I've got a natural shower gel, and it's a spray. Green Frog Botanic. All Green Frog Botanics products are made with organic soap berries, antioxidants, moisturising natural aloe vera, and calming yet uplifting essential oils. Perfectly sized for your gym bag or overnight bag, £3.90. It's a shower gel, and it's squeeze the amount required into your hand. It's a shower. It's a fucking spray. What? It's a spray bottle. What? I think the wrong lid's been put on there, because that, ugh, dizzy, dizzy. Another reason why I'm also not very good at beauty boxes, because I've said jizzy 3 times now. Oh, it smells really good though. It smells lovely. It's very, very orangey. Are you orangey? Do you smell like orange? Verbena and bergamot. It smells like orange to me. I'm intrigued to try that. I'm going to have a shower after I've done all these and I will give it a go. Very intrigued. 90% natural ingredients. Next, we've got a pawpaw. I'm not going to open this because I've literally got like 7 of these. I will put this, I'll donate this. This is starting to get a little bit warm. Not like deep heat warm, but it is getting a little bit warm. And it's sealed, so you can donate stuff when it's sealed. It matches my nails perfectly, look. Like a little tiny, a peach tint for lips, cheek and skin with a hint of a tint. Because the original pawpaw balm is clear and you can use that for like lip balm, or if you've got little dry eczema patches or anything. The only thing with the tint ones is, like, if you've got like an eczema patch, you don't want to have like a peach tint on your arm. Like, I don't ever understand why they have it as like a skin thing, because you're not going to, and there's like one that's like nearly red and you're not going to put that, go like, oh, I've got a little bit of eczema here, I'll just put that there. Nice. I never understand that. And then the last thing is a coconut infused sheet mask. I've literally just packed my bag to go on holiday. It's me and Ben, the kids, and then my friend, her husband and her kids. And I've packed us all sheet masks and I put this one in for myself. So I'll be happy to put that back into my stash because I've had these before and I love them. Let's just have a look at how much that is. The sheet mask is £4.95 and the pawpaw is £6.95. That's lovely. I always love the Pit box. I haven't had a box with them yet that I haven't enjoyed. I think they're really, really lovely ones and all the products do get used. Kind of wish there was a makeup item in it. I do like it when there is at least one makeup item in a beauty box, but you can't win them all. That's probably my favourite. I'll let you know in the description box or on the screen what the Jizzy shower gel is like. But yeah, if you like these videos, please do give this one a big thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel. Got my 10,000 subscriber giveaway going at the moment, which I'll link somewhere. Yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you soon. Love you, bye.